Hello everyone, I'm Jake and you're watching the MyLivingWorlds Ants channel. Today, I'll be announcing which lucky winner was chosen from our Christmas giveaway. Welcome to the MyLivingWorlds Ants channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. There were some brilliant comments and I loved seeing what got all of you into ant keeping. There were so many awesome answers, but the winner was chosen at random with a name generator. Stay until the end to find out who was the winner of the Christmas giveaway. But first, let's talk about some upcoming projects for the channel, and me feeding my Myrmica colony in my natural setup. Here is my European fire ant colony, which are doing very well. An upcoming video will be out soon with a full update on this colony, and some interesting surprises about this colony I'm keeping, as well as talking about how this colony has done over the months, and even where they came from, as I'm pretty sure I've never revealed where they came from. Did any of you notice some new items in this setup? Comment below if you spotted them. Although my colony didn't seem too hungry today, they usually completely consume everything I give them. Their favourite meal seems to be fresh organic clear honey and dried mealworms. Although some ant species don't like them, I found most of my ants are happy with them, and it's a good alternative if you aren't comfortable with feeding ants live food. There is lots of new content coming to the channel very soon, with some exciting topics and species. Be sure to check out a new upload coming this Friday, where I got the amazing chance to talk to a Swiss biologist and myrmecologist, Professor Keller. To find out what we will be discussing, remember to check the video this week. Another upload coming soon will be a full update of my European fire ant colony, talking about their past and current situation whilst feeding them. And we have some new species on the way, which I won't reveal, so you'll just have to wait and see. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Who is the winner of this Christmas giveaway? And the winner is the Ant Princess. The winner will be contacted and will receive their mystery colony and starter kit soon. I hope this brings a small amount of joy to the winner, but also to everyone else. Your comments were all amazing and I really enjoyed reading all of them. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed your stay on my channel. Don't forget to check out my other uploads. And stay tuned for this Friday's upload. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. Happy ant keeping.